Let's make sunshine in a cup, one of my favorite bevs. It's seasonal, immune boosting, skin glowing, and I'm going to show you how to turn the extra waste into 3 additional recipes. For the juice, I'm juicing up some carrots. Make sure you set aside the carrot tops for later. Ginger, turmeric, oranges. Save those orange peels and adding all of that into a blender cup. After blending that with water, I strain it through the Juve juicer to separate all of the extra pulp. And then we have this gorgeous and delicious sunshine in a cup that is wonderful by itself or used as a mixer for a mocktail or cocktail. For the first food waste reducing recipe, we're going to take that leftover pulp and make breakfast muffins. So I make the batter with eggs, applesauce, maple vanilla, butter, flour, and walnuts for some extra crunch factor. And once the batter is mixed, I place those in the oven. While those are baking, I use the leftover carrot tops I saved to make carrot top pistachio pesto. The leaves work in place or in addition to basil and give it a delicious earthy flavor. And lastly, I'm using all of those leftover orange peels to make orange peel marmalade. The muffins turned out so good with the sweetness of vanilla and orange and the hint of ginger and turmeric. I topped them with butter, some of that orange marmalade, and flaky salt, and it was just absolutely divine. These recipes just feel so much more rewarding, so cheers to good bevs, good eats, and fun ways to reduce extra food waste.